Hello students, today we will be performing practical called sieve analysis or fineness modulus of coarse aggregate and fine aggregates. So first of all I will tell you what do you mean sieve analysis. In the sieve analysis what we are doing, we are fixing the particular size of aggregate, its particular weight. Means suppose if you are making any concrete and in that concrete you are required 100 kg of coarse aggregate. So coarse aggregate, we know the sizes of coarse aggregate, say 20 mm, 10 mm, 4.75 mm. Okay, so these are the normal sizes of the coarse aggregate. Now out of that 100 kg, what is the amount of 20 mm coarse aggregate we required, or 10 mm amount, 10 mm size of coarse aggregate required? So what is the weight of that particular size of aggregates that we are going to fix in the sieve analysis. So by that fixing that sizes and particular weights, we are going to achieve the minimum voids. Our main aim is to achieve the minimum voids into the coarse aggregates or aggregates, say, so that we will get the dense concrete, or say you can say the concrete will have more compactive strength, because uh, if you maintain the proper voids in the concrete, then we can achieve the dense concrete. So that's why we require sieve analysis, and by the sieve analysis we are going to fix the particular weight and size of that particular aggregate. So as per IS standard, we are going to use the IS sieves, and we are going to maintain that curve. Means by taking number of experiments, we are IS has suggested that if you maintain the particular size aggregate of particular weight, then you will get minimum voids. So that we are going to achieve here. So if we calculate the fineness modulus, then fineness modulus is equal to what? Cumulative weight retained divided by 100. This is the technical definition of fineness modulus. Fineness modulus is nothing but by doing sieve analysis, we are uh, getting some particular number, and if that particular number means particular fineness modulus, if we maintain for particular aggregates, then we can expect minimum variation in the compressive strength of that concrete at the 28 days. For sieve analysis of coarse aggregate, these are the sieves we are going to use: 80 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, 4.75 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 micron, 300 micron, and 150 micron. If there is any less than 150 micron, then we have to place under this 150 mm, 150 micron sieve. Okay, so these are the sieves we have to use for calculate the fineness modulus of coarse aggregate. And these sieves we have to arrange in this order only, that I have written here on the blackboard. Likewise only we have to arrange. Now I will show you the sieves. So here I have arranged all that sieve sizes, okay, from top to bottom. These sieves are required for calculating the fineness modulus of coarse aggregate, and these sieves are required for to calculating the fineness modulus of fine aggregates. For coarse aggregate, we are going to take the 15 kg of coarse aggregate from the coarse aggregates. Now we are arranging the sieves for coarse aggregate sieve analysis. This is this sieve shaker. Now we have taken the 15 kg of coarse aggregate sample that we are going to put into the sieves. Now we are adding that coarse aggregate on the top sieve. After that we are going to shake that sieve by sieve shaker. Now we have inserted all the aggregates into the top sieve. Now we are going to start the sieve shaker machine so that it will get sieved for 5 minutes. Now we are taking out these sieves one by one, and then we are going to measure the weight retained on that sieve, and whatever passed through that sieve, that we are going to measure one by one on the weighing balance. Please remove the sieves. So we received weight retained on the 10 mm sieve, that is 6 kg, and on the earlier sieves, means on 80 mm and 40 mm, there was no retention. So all the means all the aggregates have passed through that sieves. So passing percentage was full, and for 10 mm it is showing 6 kg. Sorry, it is this is not for 10 mm, this is for 20 mm. The sieve size is 20 mm and the weight is now 6 kg is retained. So all 6 kg is retained, means 11 kg, sorry, 9 kg should have been passed through this sieve, because total was 15 kg. So this is 20 mm sieve and the weight retention is 6 kg, and the passing weight of aggregates will be 9 kg, because total is 15 kg. Now next sieve is 10 mm sieve, and on the 10 mm sieve we are getting 5 kg of weight retention. Now next sieve is 4.75 mm sieve, and on the 4.75 mm sieve we receive 4 kg of retention. Okay, so that we have noted. And as we are doing sieve analysis for coarse aggregates, now below 4.75 mm, we don't think that any material will pass from below these sieves. So all the material will retain 100% further this 4.75 mm sieves, means on 2.36 mm sieve, 1.18 mm sieve, the retention percentage will be 100. So I will tell you how to insert the value, how to insert these values in the table. First of all, we'll do the experimental work of sieve analysis of fine aggregate also. So later on, we will do combinedly the mathematical part of how to calculate the fineness modulus of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. We'll do that. So first of all, we will perform the experimental work of fineness modulus of fine aggregates. So for that, we required 500 grams of fine aggregates. So we have taken that. So here we are arranging the uh, sieves for fine aggregate sieve analysis. Now again we are going to put that 500 grams of sand on the top sieve, and then we are going to pack that. Then we will start the sieve shaker machine, and again we will take out all these sieves. Again we are going to measure the percentage retained and percentage passing of all the sieves. Now we will start the machine. So this is the first sieve, 4.75 mm sieve, and we are getting 10 grams of retention. Now next sieve is 2.36 mm sieve, and we are getting here 50 grams weight retention. Now next sieve will be 1.18 mm. On that we receive 50 grams of retention. Now likewise we have calculated the weight retention and percentage passing of all the sieves. Now we will see how to calculate this, means how to insert in table and calculate the fineness modulus. Now I will tell you how to insert the values in the table. So we have already taken the 15 kg sample for coarse aggregate, and then on the 18 mm sieve weight retained was 0. So cumulative weight retained should be 0. Cumulative percentage should be also 0 only. So 100% would have been passed there. Then next, same thing, 0 retained, all values will come 0 only here. Again 100% would have been passed from that. Now on the 20 mm sieve, 6 kg was retained. So cumulative will also come 6 kg only. Then out of 15, 6 kg if retains means 40% is retained. Now 100 minus 40, so 60% would have been passed, 60%. Then on 10 mm again 5 kg was retained, so cumulative retained will be 5 plus 6 will be 11 kg, and the cumulative percentage will be 73.3 because total is 11 kg out of 15 kg, and here the value will come 26.7. On 4.75 kg 75 mm 4 kg was returned, so cumulative will become now 15 kg. Here total will be 100 means 15 out of 15. Now here 0 should come. Now here onwards there is no sample because all sample has been retained on 4.7 till 4.75 mm sieve because this is a coarse aggregate sample. So here onwards dash. Now the cumulative percentage retained is stored here 100. Total will become 713.3. So as per definition, fineness modulus will be cumulative percentage retained, that is 713.3 divided by 100. So here in this case it comes out to be 7.133. Now the fineness modulus of coarse aggregate was 7.133. Now we'll see the calculation part of fineness modulus of fine aggregates. Now we'll write one by one. So on the 4.75 mm sieve we received 10 grams. So cumulative will be again come 10. Cumulative percentage retained will be 2 because total was 500 grams. Out of that 10 grams means 2% of cumulative percentage weight retained. So here 98 should come because 100 minus 2 will be 98. Now on the 2.36 mm sieve we received 50 grams. So total will become here 60 grams. Now here percentage will become 12 and here it will be 88 because 100 minus 12 will be 88. So on 1.18 we received 50 grams. So here total will become 110, then 22%. So here it will come 78 on 600 micron. The 95 grams were I received. Then total will become 205, means 110 plus 95. So here it will come 41%. So here it will become 59. Then on 300 micron it is 175 grams. So here it is again 380. So here it will come 76, and again here 24. On 150 micron we received 85 grams. Now it becomes 465. Here it will become 93, and here 7. Now I have to add one more row here. So if the material is less than 150 micron, then we have to consider here this thing. So now I receive 35 grams. So here it will become 500 grams. Total cumulative percentage retain, cumulative weight retained percentage will become here. So here it will be coming dash, because we are not considering material less than 150 micron. So here total cumulative percentage will be 246. Then fineness modulus is equal to cumulative percentage. Total cumulative percentage will be 246 divided by 100. So here in this case it comes 246. So 2.46 is the fineness modulus of the fine aggregates for this case. Okay, thank you.